Hey guys, Gracie here. Today we're going to talk about why fall is an excellent time for planting and landscaping. Fall is one of my favorite times of the year. The season change provides a great opportunity to take on some of those outdoor projects on your list. I'm here with Rick Vespa, who is the president of English Gardens Landscape Company and also my dad, to learn more about landscaping and planting in the fall. So what makes fall such a great season for planting and landscaping?
Well, first of all, cooler temperatures make it more pleasant to work outside.
Yeah.
So that's for starters. Then the mild temperatures and usually more plentiful rainfall just make it easier to establish plants.
So I'm learning more and more about planting spring flowering bulbs. Do you have any tips?
Well, first of all, fall is the only time to plant spring flowering bulbs like tulips, daffodils, hyacinths for spring color. You can plant right up until the ground freezes. Key tips: plant in groups of 3 to 5 or more and use a variety of plants, of bulbs to show color from late spring to early summer. Since it's best to let the leaves of the bulbs die back, plant them behind things that'll block the foliage that's dying back.
That makes sense.
Fertilize with bone meal or a bulb fertilizer. And to keep the critters away, you can use some fencing, like chicken wire, or even animal repellent. We sell many of those in the store.
Great. Now, what about landscaping? Do you have any tips about what to plant, and also what kinds of services does English Gardens offer during the season?
Absolutely. So this is a great season for planting broadleaf evergreens, shade and ornamental trees, shrubs, perennials. Think about adding plants with fall and winter appeal like red twig dogwoods or burning bush. We offer a variety of services, whether you want to do some of the work yourself or have it designed and installed for you. We can help you create a beautiful outdoor living space. From over-the-counter landscape plans to visits with our garden coaches, tree and shrub planting services and design services, or design and build installation, we can do it all for you.
Awesome. And you can learn even more about English Gardens landscaping services by heading to englishgardens.com/landscaping. There's some really great information there that will help you figure out if you're a DIY person or if full service might be a good fit for you. Now, as you know, I've got a great porch at my apartment. So do you have any recommendations for transitioning my summer plants and flowers into fall?
Well, yeah, first of all, take out some of those fading annuals, the ones that aren't tolerating the colder temperatures. Add cold-tolerant annuals for fall color. Pansies, asters, ornamental grasses, cabbage, kale, and mums are all great options. Change up your porch pots, as I've mentioned. Add in some plants I just mentioned, and fall branches and berries.
Sure.
Don't forget pumpkins and gourds for a splash of color and texture.
Classic fall decor. Excellent. I can't wait to head to the store and pick out my stuff for fall. I'm really looking forward to it. So for more information about planting and landscaping during the fall season, head over to englishgardens.com. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.